too. And
you sure can make that go, can't you, sweetie?
Are you getting a video of this? I was going to say you should.
just kind of in her own little world. I wish I could have got the rest.
Those.
Yep, those. Said Daddy blowing raspberries. Here's the culprit. Hi, baby girl.
Look at that drool.
Why don't you crawl on over here to Mama? Come here. Come here.
Oh, just come on over, Grandpa. Come on.
You got plenty of choices here.
Come here. Come here. Come on, Grandpa.
Oh, boy. How many people
There's 2, 4, 6, 8 hands that are calling. Actually, 7 moms holding on the camera. And the one calling me. Come here.
Are there any souvenir goods?
As far as I know.
You know, if we don't want to drive, I bet they'll just take us in their van and drop us off downtown. We call them and they come pick us back up.
Or we can just take a drive. I mean, we haven't really
Yeah.
done any sightseeing. Come on, get up!
Come on.
Get up!
Come here.
Get up!
Come here.
Come on!
Who would come and pick us up?
Up and at 'em! Come on, get those legs down!
The
Who would come and
front
pick us
desk, someone here at the hotel.
Come on, over here!
Come on.
I heard they said they do that for somebody.
Come to Grandma. Come on.
That's the wrong way. It's the wrong way. Look at those legs flying. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come on. There you go.
Come on, get that little butt up in the air.
That tongue. Those spots on the carpeting look interesting. Come here. What was that?
Oh.
What was that? Who rolled that over here? That was like perfect. Oh.
We're gonna twist the lid off, too. What's that?
Come here.
Daddy taking it from you?
Go get it.
Good push up.
Daddy, roll it a little bit further towards you.
Come here. Come here. Come on.
A little bit more.
Come on.
She's kind of
You're
moving
doing a crab
sideways.
Are you a crab? They walk sideways. Are you learning something being down here by the seashore? Huh?
Back into her tummy.
Come and get it.
I'm just gonna pull myself along.
Up on her.
Come on.
I'm almost there. I don't understand this. I keep getting close and suddenly it just moves away.
There we go. There we go.
Now I'm gonna lay back down onto my tummy somehow. Just haven't quite figured it out yet. Oh. How'd I get there? Hi! Okay then. Set the camera down before I do that. Kaylin.
I think at least if she did all that, she should have a drink of water.
Kaylin. Kaylin.
She wants a drink.
Want a drink of water? We can get your other little container out. Did you just roll over? Well, come on. You have quite the funny face right now. I think it's supposed to work this way. There you go. You're learning. Back to where you originally were, on your tummy. Alrighty, Miss Kaylin is doing the spread eagle. Hey, say up, Kaylin. Hey.
Hey, Precious.
Hey, Bugaboo. Daddy has something for you. You gotta sit up though. So I'll crawl for that.
She was crawling to you.
That's good.
Come on, get it up there. Come on. Come on. You gotta suck on it. You didn't quite get there. Why aren't you getting it up there? Huh?
Is there a hole in the straw?
Yes. You're not sucking good enough.
Okay then.
Come on. Maybe Daddy should fill it with a little more water. We need to add some more water to that. Don't you even think about it.
So I already did, Daddy. Trust me. By the time you even think about it, it's already in my mind.
Okay, there's water in there. Oh, come on. No. Hey. Do you not want this water?
No.
This water's not good enough for you, huh?
Hey, at that.
Psst.
Kaylin.
Psst. Come here, sit down. Back here, sit down. Oops. There you go. Oh, you're almost there. You're almost there. You just gotta suck a little bit harder. It's in there. It's in there. There you go. There you go. Come on, suck again. I guess we're not interested in really sucking.
Come here.
Good, Mom.
Come here, baby girl. What's she crawling?
Grandma's bag.
Ooh, what's in Grandma's bag? What can I get into in here? Something looks pretty. Well,
We got a cord. Hey, that's probably plugged in too.
okay then.
You don't need that.
Hey. Okay then, we're gonna say bye-bye.
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 Bye.
Bye.